Hey, you guys got nothing better to do? You really don't care about the noise you're putting out in the community? Why not? You don't got anything better to do than protect the community from your noise? I'm gonna go talk to the office. Hey bro, can I go walk in your place? I don't know, this guy won't even talk to me. I got video of it too, you can watch it. Of this guy not talking to me, ignoring me.
For what? He's minding his own business, so.
He's what?
Minding his own business?
Well, yeah, but the problem is he's got workers out here. See, right now he won't even listen to what I have to say, so he doesn't even know what my complaint is or why I'm talking to him, I don't think.
I'm so sorry?
Is he affiliated with this business?
This is my brother,
Yeah.
so he's not affiliated with the business.
Okay.
He does not work here.
Okay.
So, Blake, what's...
This dude keeps asking me, what company do you work for? The other lady's like, where are you from?
Like, if you're going to interrupt us here, you
I'm
need
not.
to get the fuck out of
This
the
guy
property.
walked over to here. I'm not interrupting you guys at all.
Welcome on the property because he's a neighbor and I say so. What is your problem with them? Tell me that.
They got guys that are banging metal over in that totally open area.
Okay.
They've got it all walled off from the rest of them, but they don't wall off the sound. Do you want to hear what the complaint is?
The noise.
They don't wall off the noise from the rest of the community.
If you got a problem with it, then you need to get the fuck out of here.
No.
Yeah.
It's an industrial area. So
I can leave. I can also talk to them.
What are your working hours? Do you know? I mean,
Right now, since COVID-19, we've been working from 6 to 2:30. We have a very short split shift and at night. But we're going
as far as
time.
noise ordinance.
Yeah, and after 2:30, there is no noise. But anyway, we were working. But anyway,
All you got to do is bang somewhere else where there's sound protection or put up sound protection. It's simple.
back and forth with videoing and I just
Okay, well, I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
yeah.
Well, I'll have to talk with him and get my father involved and see how he wants to handle it.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm going to go talk to the office right now.
Thank you.
How long have you been banging for? Because I've been here for a while and the banging just started pretty recently. You don't know? Sir, why is it so hard to just put up some soundproofing from all the noise you put out? I mean, for one, it sounds like they're wasting huge amounts of energy if I'm getting all that energy blown over here. So this is TFC Manufacturing. Don't care about the community. It's like they're parked at the red curb this time, looks like. Hey, somebody's vehicle is parked at the red curb here. We got another one in front of a fire hydrant. You know about that? Blocking the sidewalk here again. Hi.
Hi.
Did you guys go listen to the sounds that you guys make it over across Cover Street?
We don't hear any noise.
So you haven't gone across Cover Street to listen?
No.
Well, that's where the noise is going because you guys have walls protecting your company, but there's no sound walls protecting the rest of the community for where people are doing the really loud noise at. I can't hear you when I'm talking and you try to talk to me. I thought you tried to say something to me while I was talking.
Sir, we already talked to you yesterday. This is a commercial area. It's daytime. They're working hours. There's an airport right there. Do you complain when the planes fly over above you when they take off? Because that's louder than the banging.
They only do that a few times a day.
Well, because we're on quarantine and there's shutdowns, but regularly it was every 5 minutes.
I've been here for a long time. I get it.
We've been here for a long time.
Why are you guys contributing to more noise? Why don't you just put up a sound wall? The rest of your workers are protected from the sound.
Why have you not complained?
Why don't you? I haven't been standing across the street for 20 years. You want me to just? Your people are telling me to get a life. Now you're wanting me to sit here for the last 20 years monitoring your business? Come on, bro.
You've been here for a long time. Why is it only coming up now?
Because you guys just started the banging somewhat recently.
No, we're not. We've been doing the same banging, same job, same everything this entire time. We spoke with you yesterday.
No.
Please.
Why won't you just go across the street and listen to the noise your business? Sir, I'm talking again and you're trying to talk to me while I'm talking, so I can't understand what I'm saying. That's what I was trying to tell you before. I can't understand what you're saying when I'm talking and you try to talk to me.
Do you want me to call the cop for you?
The what?
Cop?
Call a
A
cop?
cop for you?
Why, so they can come murder me, bro?
You cannot get inside of this office.
Why not? Your people told me to come over here.
Property, you're trespassing. We want you to leave.
All
Please leave.
right, your noise trespasses
Please
the
leave.
public space.
Please leave. Off our property.
You know you got a car blocking the sidewalk right now. That gives me right to be here.
No, it does not. You are not a police officer. Go get one then if they're blocking it. Please leave our property.
Check it out, bro.
Okay,
You got a
great.
Jeep on the other side parked at the red curb.
Okay.
Totally.
Let the authorities handle it. Are you a police officer?
Bro, have you seen they kill people?
Who?
The authorities, the cops.
Get the fuck out of here. What do you want? What the fuck do you want?
I want you to put up you want to
Get
hear?
the fuck out of here. What do you want?
You want to hear?
Okay.
I want you to stop banging or put a sound wall up or do your banging somewhere
This is
else.
none of your fucking business.
It actually is.
Here.
It actually is. If I go stand on the other side of Cover Street, which is not your property, you can hear the banging loud and clear when they're doing it. But you guys aren't even willing to go over there and listen to it. That's how fucking sad your business is.
Okay, go. Get off our property. You come back again, we'll call the police, okay?
Dude, I'm not on your property. What the fuck are you talking about?
You were just on our property.
And you told me to leave, so I
Since
left.
yesterday.
Yesterday, your workers told me to come over here and get on your
we
property.
didn't.
Yeah, they did.
Yesterday and you did, and we told you to leave.
No,
And
you
now today
didn't.
we're telling-
No, you didn't. I got
personally
video of
spoke to
it.
you yesterday and told you to leave.
You did not. I got video of it.
Okay, great. So you want to come back?
Us-
We'll call the police.
Are you the guy that said nobody lives over there yesterday? Are you that same
I'm
guy?
not talking to you anymore.
You're full of crap, bro.
Okay, you're
You
full
say
of
things
crap
that just aren't
also.
true. What have I said that's not true?
Do you live in commercial businesses? Is that legal?
Why don't you respond to
commercial
my
property,
complaint instead of talking about me?
There's no housing in commercial. You are probably living there. I don't
It
care
doesn't, what does it matter, bro? You're putting out tons of sounds out into the community and you're protecting your workers from the same sounds.
We hear their
Why don't you
stuff.
have the same respect for the community as you do your workers?
You are insane. We hear their noises. We're not complaining. Do you hear those the cars being worked on? Are we complaining? No, we have a job to do.
I don't hear any cars being worked on right now. And I
Yes,
doubt they're as loud as you, because what are you gonna do banging on a
Hear
car?
that? Do you hear that? Are we supposed to complain about their noises too?
I got a thing
Are we
on.
supposed to complain about them banging bottles daily? No, we don't.
If
because
they're
we're
as
not
loud and annoying as you guys are, then yes, you are.
Hey, you come back on the property.
I'm not on your property, bro.
Enjoy your time there.
One of these vehicles is overextended into the sidewalk. Another one's parked at the red curb, right in front of a fire hydrant.
Don't
What are you
call
waiting
parking
for?
enforcement.
I'm waiting for you guys to put up some soundproofing.
If you're not gonna do shit, get the fuck out of here.
Why don't you get the fuck out of here, bro?
We're here. We're at our job.
I'm here. I'm on the public sidewalk. And you're harassing me to leave off the public sidewalk. You know how insane that is?
I asked you to leave in there.
This dude right here was just asking me what I'm doing here, standing on a public sidewalk while he's standing feet from me doing crap. He could be putting up soundproofing, he's standing there smiling. He could be listening to what your work does, he's not doing it.
Sir, just call the city.
Yeah, just call it whatever you want us to do.
Call the city.
Okay, and you want me to show them this video of you telling me to complain about your own noise because you won't do anything about it? That's the fucking ridiculous thing I've heard today.
Manufacturing company.
You want me to call about the complaint so they can tell you how to fix it instead of you just fixing it yourself?
They come and tell us anything. You go and make your complaint.
I've already made my complaint to you. You guys don't even want to listen to your own noise. It's so simple. Go on to the other side of the street and listen to the noise your company makes. Yeah, you don't want to hear it. Nobody else does either. So it's like, if their building catches on fire, they got the hydrant here, then they got a vehicle parked in the fire zone. They got this other one, yeah, it's right there. You can see if they got any other fire hydrants around here. I don't see any fire hydrants on this side. Hey, you know there's a Jeep blocking your fire hydrant.